Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing great. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to undo changes in Notion using your mobile phone, iOS or Android. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. Let's fix those oops moments. First, you have to open your Notion, and if you accidentally delete or edit something, just give your iPhone or Android a quick shake. You will see a pop-up that says undo typing. As you can see, you can go into the typing here and you can type anything, and you can simply shake to do the undo. You can also shake again to redo if you went too far. Another option is in some areas, especially in text blocks, you might see an undo arrow at the top of the keyboard. As you can see here, here is the undo button and here is as well. You can undo it as much as you want. You can also use your keyboard to undo anything you have mistakenly typed, and that's how you can undo changes in Notion on iOS or Android. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you have got any questions, and subscribe for more easy beginner friendly Notion guides. Catch you in the next one. Thanks you for watching.